So hello and welcome to my unboxing of this noise cancellation quiet comfort earbuds. I've actually been given this as a gift, as a thank you gift from a friend, so I haven't actually paid for this myself, but I'd love to know what you think of it, if you've actually paid for it, and see if it's worth the money or not. So this is a very quick unboxing to show you what's inside the box. I'm not going to go into the details of what it comes with. There's a little tag there, so when you get the box, you just open that up like that and it opens up. As you can tell, I've not opened this up yet before. It's just the first time just doing it. So you've got the serial number and everything else in the box, on the box here, and it's compatible with Android, iPhone, iPod, iPad, etc, etc. So this is the actual box. So let's see what we've got there. If we open it like that, we've got the actual BOSE headphones there. Get rid of that. I'm going to take that out, put that here, and I'm going to take that and put that aside as well. What else have we got in the box? Just going to empty it out. And there's a little sweetie pack there, don't eat it. And nothing else. That's all there is really. So in the box you've got the actual BOSE kit. So that's the little giant rechargeable carry case. I mean, I don't know how else to show you this, but it's quite huge. Then you've got a set of large, or it says one on it rather than large, little plugs to replace the ones that it comes with, and you've got a pack of 3, so the ones inside the actual boxes are 2. You've got a USB-C charging cable as well. I'm not going to open that because I'm not likely to need to use it, and obviously the manual and everything else as well, so you've got a start here manual there as well. I'm going to open this quite quickly to show you what's inside. Let's see how easy it is. So there's a little button there. You press the button and it opens up and it all lights up. So now we've got the LEDs lighting up, and it shows you that it's on and it's flashing like that. Now, I think this basically shows you the charge of it as well, so let's just close that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs, and for right now I've only got 4 of them lit, so not all of them are lit. There's a button there, I'm assuming that's for the pairing, and if we can take these out, so these are the actual headphones. And this is the right one. It says R on it for right, and these basically come off so you can replace them. And that's it. That's all you've got. Quick and easy. There's a little charging USB port there. You can use that to charge it with. Again, the box is quite big. Notice there the charge has now gone from the 4 to 3 now, so it's lost a charge. I don't know what's going to happen if you just put them back in again. Let's see how easy it is to put them back in. I'm assuming. Yeah, that's fine, I think. And this one goes in there. It's quite magnetic, so it just literally falls into place and starts charging. You close that, so yeah, that's on a 3 setting there. So that's the BOSE basically. It's quite huge. It comes with a manual, different ear settings, and a box really, and that's it. So yeah, just give me a comment. Let me know what you think of these if you own them. Tell me if you got them on order, and if it's really worth the price tag, because it is really the most expensive one, but everyone keeps raving on about it. I think they're going for $290 at the moment. So what is that? £280, £290, something like that. So yeah, let me know what you think of it. All right, enjoy.